everybody, welcome into Farm Cooking with Nan. Today we're going to be trying well, I can get I spilled some of my Cairo syrup here and it got a little sticky place. We're going to be doing a pecan pie, and I've never done this one before, so this is a new one for me. I have my own pecan pie recipe, but you know, us cooks, we're always looking for something else that that might be a little bit better, you know. So first thing I'm going to do is take one of these pie crust, one of these pie crusts. And I'm going to, I've let it sit out for about 15 minutes, something like that. And oh yes, please get out and vote today. Please, please, please. That is our right. You know, I say it's a God-given right, but it is our right to be able to go vote. That's why I didn't have red, white, and blue shirt or red, white, and blue apron. So I wore my blue and white, and I did my mother-in-law gave me this. Miss Barbara gave me this a long time ago. This is by Temptations that you can get on QVC. She gave me this, and I just love it. So I am using my Temptations dish with red, white, and blue to be patriotic today and encourage you all to go vote. Go vote. I'm going to press this into my dish. This pie, as far as I know, is not a deep dish pie, but it is going to be a good one. I mean, I looked at it and I thought this sounds pretty good, so I'm all the time trying something new. Like I said, when you cook a lot, you're always looking for a better recipe than the one you already make. Some of them are just the old tried and true ones that I absolutely adore. Family favorites. Now I'm going to set this aside, okay? Well, before I set it aside, I'm going to do something, okay? I just dumped my frozen pecans that I had out into the a pan that I had. I'm going to put these all the way around. Excuse me, I never touched my face, so want you to know that. I'm going to finish. I'm going to put all this in here because y'all don't want to watch me put one pecan in at a time. And I'll show you what I'm doing. We got all of our nuts. We just made round circles, you can see, all the way around in the bottom of that. I'm going to set it aside. I've got 3 eggs that I have whisked here. I'm going to put in 1 cup of sugar, and I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons of flour. We're going to keep whisking that together. Then I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Hang on a minute. And I'm going to put in about a teaspoon. This is Vanilla Bean King. I'm going to put in about a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste from the Vanilla Bean King. I'm going to put in 1 cup of Cairo syrup. 1 cup of Cairo syrup. Now, I'm going to wipe that flour off my counter, and then I'm going to get back with it. So far we've got 1 cup of K-Rose syrup, 1 cup of sugar, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We got 2 tablespoons of butter, and we've got 3 tablespoons of flour. And you see there's no lumps, and all that sugar's all dissolved and everything. We're going to take our pie shell here, and we're going to pour it all in there. It smells so good. It smells so good. Uh-oh. Had a little drip there. I wished you could see little Tom laying in the floor here at my feet watching me. Hang on a minute. Usually, all the nuts are supposed to float to the top. They're still coming up, just a few at a time. And if you see a place, let me grab my nuts. You see a place where maybe one's not coming up, then go ahead and take and put you some on there. If you say, Nan, I don't know how many nuts to use. Well, you know, it's one of those things, the recipe didn't call for so many nuts or whatever. It just, now I think they've all come up. How about that? So they come up if you just sort of, you know, don't shake your pan, but just beat it a little bit. It'll all come up. Now, I'm preheated my oven right now to 350. It's up to 260 right now. So a minute or 2 more, and we're going to have, it'll be at the right temperature that we can pop this in the oven, and we're going to bake it for about 45 minutes. So, oh Lord, I will see you back in a little while. I have sliced me a slice of my beautiful pie. It's pretty well cooled. Might be just a hair bit warm on the very, very bottom. At this point, you can drizzle, use some caramel over this. I'm just going to have a little bit of, that looks so good. So here is my, you can see, I want you to see how delicious that looks. Now let's try it. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. That is very, very good. If you like more of a runny, batter in there, back off to about 1 tablespoon of flour. That is so good. So easy. This would be an A+ to any Thanksgiving or Christmas table this year. I hope y'all get a chance to make you one. It is a blessing. It is very good. The recipe is very good. If you want more nuts, see how pretty the top is on it? It's just really, really pretty. But if you want more nuts, I don't think you need more nuts with this. But if you wanted more, you could always chop your nuts up if you didn't want to have the whole pieces on top. Or chop them up, put them in the bottom of your dish, pour your batter over it. And then whenever everything starts to come to the top, then you could plant the little round, you know, your little pecans. We say pecans here. I know deeper in the South, sometimes they call them pecans or pecans. Pecans, that's it. But we're just pecans. But I just want to thank y'all for watching. I want to thank you for sharing my videos. And I want to thank you for being so good to me. Because young'uns, you really are. And I hope that I can be half as good to you as you are to me. And I hope this goes onto your table this year. And again, I'm going to say this video was made the day before we go to vote. So please get out and vote, young'uns. We don't have no room to complain if we don't vote, you know. So I'm going to let y'all go. Want you to know how much the good Lord loves you. Vote biblically. Can't go wrong with voting the way the Lord wants you to vote. He takes care of everything else. I'm going to go. I will see y'all next time. Okay? Maybe for another good recipe. Hope this goes on your Christmas and Thanksgiving table this year. Love you. Bye-bye.